Hi everyone, today I will show you how to prepare quiet book page for the book without the binding and how to make corners like those. Actually, I have one similar video on how to prepare pages, but today I'll show you how to do so easier and faster. So you will need, first step, prepare your fabric. You must rinse the fabric or wash the fabric to avoid shrinking. So rinse and dry. There is no need to iron it because anyway we are going to iron it before applying the fusible interfacing. And step number 2 is pre-shrink your fusible interfacing. How to do so, I will give you the link below this video and just watch the video. Use any heavyweight fusible interfacing. Today I'm going to use fusible canvas. It is extra heavyweight and actually it is 400 grams per square meter. So I'm going to use only fabric and fusible canvas because I will not use any polyester batting between pages. So there will be only 2 pages, fabric plus canvas. Next step, using the patchwork ruler, you must cut perfect square out of fusible canvas or any shape that you have chosen for your quiet book pages. So it should be perfectly even. So this is why I'm going to use patchwork ruler. Next, you will need double-sided fusible interfacing or fusible web, like this one or like this one. Next, you will need a needle, but the big one. Cut out the fusible canvas or interfacing what I'm going to use. If you use double-sided fusible interfacing in rolls like mine, use it as is. If you have fusible web like this one, you will need just to cut out stripes of the fusible web. Because the fusible web is very thin, so it is possible to cut several layers at once. You may use stationary knife or rotary cutter. Cut stripes 1 centimeter wide or approximately ½ inch wide. First, you need to iron the fabric very well. Spray water onto the fabric, wait 2 maybe 3 minutes and only then iron. Because I'm ironing the cotton, I set my iron on cotton. So I ironed the fabric. There are no any wrinkles on it. Now I'm going to apply the fusible canvas onto the fabric, but you should have at least 1½ centimeter aside. The temperature of applying the fusible canvas is approximately 120 degrees Celsius, and this is approximately on between cotton and wool. And only now starts the most interesting part. I mean to make the corners. And now you will need a needle and double-sided fusible interfacing. Start from upper left corner, not from the middle, not from here, but from this part. Now place the fusible web here in the corner along with the edge of the interfacing, like so, and use the iron to apply a heat. Now take a needle, place the needle like so. So the needle comes along the edge of the, but behind, like so. Now fold here, so you make corner 45 degrees, and between the fold of the fabric and the edge of the interfacing you have 1 millimeter distance. So this millimeter will make perfect angle here. So hold the angle. Here you have fusible web and fold like so. See? If you have here fusible web, see, just hide it under the fabric. Hold the fabric and just iron. When you prepare all the pages, when you sew all the details on the page, then when you gather the pages, those folds, see, they have different direction. So these folds will make a lock, and when you sew together two pages, they will not move because of these folds, and it will be very easy to do, to sew them together. And as you may see, the corners are actually perfect, I may say. See? In my next video I will show you how to prepare pages using the loop fabric, and I will show you some moments to do it right. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.